Good afternoon, children. This is Shivalsa speaking. Children, we are going to deal with the exercise 14.2 of chapter factorizations. I'm almost at the last questions of this particular exercise. Here are some questions, 3 questions I have written of question number 4. These are question number 2, question number 3, and question number 5. These 3 questions are of 3 different patterns, so we'll have a discussion on that first. So children, the first question of question number 4, that is p to the power 4 minus 81. So what we can do here, we have to apply an identity. So very first thing that we have to think which identity is to be used. So here, as we can see, it's written p to the power 4 minus 81. So there are no identity comes with the power 4. But there is an identity with the power square, like a square minus b square. So we have to break this. We have to factorize it in that particular form first. In order to get the answer, we are going to break this into a square minus b square format. So children, p to the power 4, can we write it in form of p square on square? P to the power 4 can be written as p square on square minus 81 can be written in form of 9 square. 81 can be written in form of 9 square. So p square on square means p to the power 4 and 9 square means 81. So children, we don't have to see what is within the bracket. It's p square. You don't have to do anything. You just consider it as a. And we will be considering this particular value as b. So here it's p square matlab a and 9 means b. So this is a square and this is b square. Children, it's p square on square. So we are going to consider p square as a and 9 as b. So it's a square minus b square. The formula of a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. A means p square plus b means 9 into a square means p square. Sorry, a means p square minus b means 9. So I got p square plus 9 into p square minus 9. This is not our answer. We can factorize it further. It can be furtherly factorized. Let us check it out. So p square plus 9 cannot be factorized it further using any identity. It will remain as it is, p square plus 9 only. It will remain as it is, p square plus 9. And p square minus 9 can be factorized in form of a square minus b square once again. P square minus 9, again it can be factorized using a square minus b square identity. What is that, children? Let us have a look. P square, I wrote p square in this form. Minus 9 means I'll write in form of 3 square. P square, I wrote p square minus in the place of minus. And 9 will be expressed as 3 square. So now it cannot be factorized. It will remain as it is. P square plus 9. And this one will be factorized as p square minus 3 square. Can be used as a square minus b square. So the identity is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. That's all. P square plus 9 into p plus 3 into p minus 3. So children, I'm over with the question number 2. The answer of question number 2. It will remain like this only. The next question is x to the power 4 minus, in bracket, y plus z to the power 4. X to the power 4 minus y plus z whole to the power 4. Let us check it out how to do this. Children, I want to factorize it using a square minus b square identity. Now you might be thinking, sir, how did you understand that you need to apply a square minus b square? Actually, we have applied it in using some process. X to the power 4. X to the power 4 will be written as x square on square. X to the power 4 can be factorized, can be written in form of x square on square. Then minus y plus z whole to the power 4 can be written as y plus z square on square. I'm using a second bracket because we have already used first bracket for y plus z. That's why I'm using second bracket for another square, another whole square rather. So children, I'll apply a square minus b square formula over here. Children, your a square means this one. This is your a. X square is your a. And y plus z whole square is your b. I'm going to repeat my word once again. X square means a. Y plus z square means b. So this is a square minus b square. Can be written in form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b this is a plus b into a minus b. A minus b. It's a plus b into a minus b. So children, this is not our final answer. We can factorize it further. Furtherly, it can be factorized. Let us check it out, how to do this. Children, let this x square be as it is, x square. Y plus z whole square can be factorized using a plus b whole square identity. We have got an identity a plus b whole square. This is what I'm going to use right now. The identity is a square plus 2ab plus b square. We have got one more part. Now this one is, children, as there is a minus sign, so it's better if we keep within second bracket. Always remember, always keep in mind, whenever we have got minus sign in the expression or in the factorization portion, so it's better to separate them using a bracket. So x square, I wrote x square here. Here is a minus sign. Let this minus sign be here only. Y plus z whole square can be factorized in form of a plus b whole square. Formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now, this one will remain as it is because we cannot factorize it. We cannot factorize this part further. So this one will remain as it is. X square plus y square plus 2yz plus z square. And this one will remain as it is. X square minus will be multiplied with the values or with the symbols within the bracket. So it's minus y square minus into plus minus 2yz plus minus minus z square. Children, no more factorization. Nothing can be done over here. This is only your answer. Let your answers be like this only. X square plus y square plus 2yz plus z square. And within here, x square minus y square minus 2yz minus z square. Now, here is p square. I'm going to start question number 5.1. 5.1 is p square plus 6p plus 8. Children, this is all about middle term factorization. Now we are going to introduce another new concept, that is middle term factorization. What is middle term factorization? We have to factorize. There are three terms, 1, 2, 3. This is the middle term. As we are studying in class 8, that's why we have got three terms to deal with. When we will be in class 9, we'll have more terms to factorize. In similar way, we might have 4 terms, 5 terms that we have to factorize. So we are going to deal with middle term factorization. Going to deal with this question using middle term factorization process. What is that? Let us check it out. Let this p square be p square as it is. plus sign, plus sign. Now, we have to factorize 6p in such a way so that by doing addition or subtraction, it comes 6p with two values. What can be that? What can be that number? I want to factorize 6p as using 4p plus 2p. 4p plus 2p. I want to factorize 6p as 4p plus 2p because 4p plus 2p results 6p. That's why I have expanded it. Now question comes that, sir, why we cannot write 5p plus 1p, or we could have written 9p minus 3p. Yes, we can. But we will use a format, we will use a technique so that it can be factorized. So 4p plus 2p is the best number, the best values to take in order to factorize 6p. Let this be 8p here only. Now, p square and 4p, from these two terms I'll take a common. I'll take p common. So from p square 1p has taken away, 1p will be left, plus from 4p, p is out, 4 will be left. Plus sign, plus sign. 2p plus 8. From these two values, 2 can be taken common. I took away 2 from here. P is left. Plus from 8, 2 is out, 4 will be left. Now, p plus 4 is coming common. So I'll take p plus 4. Now there is no more p plus 4. It's taken away. P plus 2 is left. P plus 2 is left. This is what my answer is all about. Now here is one point that I must say. Why I have chosen 4p plus 2p? Because I wanted to bring p plus 4 and p plus 4 here. If I would have taken any other number instead of 4p plus 2p, I wouldn't have been able to break 8 because I'm taking 2 away. That's why it's coming 4 2s are 8. It's matching. If I would have taken any other number instead of 4p plus 2p, I wouldn't have been able to factorize 8. That's why I have chosen 4p plus 2p. As you will be trying out more sums, it will be easier to understand. The next one is q square minus 10q plus 21. Let us check it out. Q square minus 10q plus 21. Let this q square be as it is. Minus 10q. Minus 10q. I want to take it as minus 7q minus 3q. Minus 7q minus 3q results minus 10q. Yes or no? Yes. Plus 21 as it is. Now question is, sir, why minus 7q and minus 3q? Because 7 and 3, if I take in this way, these numbers, 21 can be factorized. I just wanted to factorize 21. It was in my mind. That's why I've chosen these two numbers. Now I'll take q away from here. 1q will be left. Minus 7. Now from here I'll take minus 3 away. Q will be left. From this now, from this plus sign, 1 minus is taken away. Minus will be left. Minus 7. Why? Because if you want to check this portion, let us check it out in this way. Minus 3 into q, minus 3q, minus minus plus, minus minus plus. It's matching. That's why I'm not wrong. I'm correct only. So here is q minus 7. Here is q minus 7. Let me take 1q minus 7 common. And here is q and here is minus 3. Let it be q minus 3. That's all. This is only my answer. Children, this way we have to solve these things. Let me show you show you the entire board first. This is the entire board work. So children, we are over with this exercise. Children, the sums which I haven't explained in this video will be your homework. Till then, thank you so much. Thanks a lot to everyone.